not their PLS. Mlim. I say we nuke the entire site from orbit. To be sure, I can simply snap my fingers, and 50% of my food will be on the floor. Perfectly balanced. How can I help you, sir? Give my compliments to the chef. But sir, I haven't brought you your food yet. Sir, you can't eat that. Great big feel. Stop touching my house. What is she doing? Humans rub cloths on things all the time. It must be what they do for fun. Weird. How to care for your government surveillance drone. A guide. 1. Adjust antenna for best reception. 2. Place fuel in intake. In watching you. Millimeter Yos. Danger. Hello. Who are you? The bird thinks his reflection is another bird, so he must not be self-aware. Didn't you text your ex last night, Dave? Hey. How would you like it if I bit you? Chomp chomp. I want to scritch. Let's use the budgie board. N-O-Y-O-U. What? Scritch me. No you. Share PLS. Sorry. You can't eat these, sad smiley. Then you are violating bird law. Bird rule #1. All food must be shared with the flock. See you in bird court. Did you know this seed has the potential to become a magnificent sunflower? That's nice. But I love it the way it is now. Clink. Asterisk clink asterisk. Food. No food, just doing dishes. Asterisk clink asterisk. Food. Food. I hate molting. Humans make it look easy. One day your feathers are normal, and the next you have brand new ones. Can you solve this puzzle? Too dumb, sorry. I'll give you a treat. Done. I have an important job. I keep my humans safe. Humans never see danger, but I do. Danger. No survival skills. Flap. 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 Captain Chicken. You are cleared for takeoff. Flap. 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 Hi, I'd like to bring my bird in for a checkup. Okay. What's the bird's name? His name is Florida Man. Clang. Clang. Keep it down. I'm trying to sleep. Squawk. Dollar Quaork. Oh, sorry Dunga. Why do you get your water so dirty? Doesn't it bother you to drink that? I don't drink it. How gross. You think I am? Have you ever met the boogeyman? If he gets you, he makes sure that you can't move. Then he pokes you with cold or pointy things. I found the perfect snuggle spot. It's so warm. And the best part, no one can see me. You will let me out. 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 Okay, time to come out. Spells. Same time as every day. But one you will let me out. Spells /success / chicken. No. Chicken. Chicken. Who? I wish for seeds. Granted. What is your second wish? More seeds. Granted. You have one wish left. Think about it, it could be anything in the world. Don't say seeds. Chicken thoughts.